So I'm just going to do a quick run through of how to analyze the futures market. So here I have the ES. I started trading at 5:30 in the morning. It's 10:15, and usually this period's pretty good, but now it's not. So the market always changes. The market has no routine, so that makes your routine very important. You have to. The market's not going to give you your routine. You have to give yourself your own routine, and that is a big challenge of trading. So here is this kind of cluttered. That's sort of just who I am. I'm a cluttered person, and that's how I should keep my charts. Some people like it organized. My dad is one of them. Many disagreements over that. So here are the yellow. They're your micro time frames. You have a 3,000 tick chart and a 1 minute chart. I used to only use the 1 minute chart, but now I've added a micro tick chart that sort of gives you a clearer view of things. Three-line break chart. So I'm not just going to look at the price action on the micro time frame. I'm going to look at the macro, the bigger time frames here. You have a channel on the 60-minute chart, which is at the top of it. You're at the top of it. You have 1, 2, 3 pushes up, top of the channel. We might break out to the top of it, but right now, and it is slowly. It's just there's no rhythm. Plus, I want to protect my profits for the day. I am feeling a bit tired after doing it for 5 hours with a few micro breaks here and there. The 15-minute chart, it's probably more a buy than a sell, but it's not like holy moly I want to put on a full-size position. The 5-minute chart. I actually find Al Brooks stuff actually very helpful sometimes, just to sort of give me a way. So you have a low 4 and some kind of trend down, but this isn't the bad trade. I can short here and risk 2 points, but you don't have a break of a trend. See, this is where things are murky, because you have up 1 minute, up micro channels, and you have the bigger picture telling you down. So, to initiate the trade here, you need to wait for something on the 1 minute chart. 30-minute. Yeah, I mean down. Definitely down. You're at the neckline here. Failed high 2, which should lead to a 2-leg move down. It's just there's just not enough money. Could short 45s. Short 45s. It's just I'm not. You have 1, 2. You're constantly putting weights on a scale to pro con, energy level. If I was waking up right now, I would definitely take this trade. Go short. You could short a couple of them, and then flip to the upside on the 46.25. But then you still have the macro problem of the 60-minute chart. You're on the above of the channel. And we could go 47.25. I mean, there's so many different things that can happen. There's not enough movement, so the market's going to force you to wait probably. It's just not a good day trading environment right now. But the morning was good. DAX was good. See, now I would have been stopped out and I wouldn't have been happy. I just would have given it away and I couldn't rebound. You know, you always want to, if you're going to get ready to trade, you have to be really prepared to take a loss and convert that loss into a gain, because the loss is going to teach you something. The best trades are the ones where you're short like a quarter size, you flip in reverse, and you sort of define the market in two parameters, two if then. You know, if this happens, I'm short. But if this then happens, then I'm long. And you can keep, you know, that's how a good trader, that is how to trade. You have to be able to have the conviction to go short, and then the conviction to buy it back and go long the opposite direction, and know where that point is going to happen. You only get that through lots of experience, and that's what it takes. So, but yeah, I wouldn't flip and go long here. That's another reason why not to take the trade, because I am not convinced about how the probability of going long either, because of that 60-minute chart. So it just feels like not a good trading environment. I don't know. There's no news, no nothing. This is a very frustrating market, but I'm doing all right, so it's fine. I have to work on my happiness now. So I'm gonna go to the dog park.